Wilbur, smile for the camera. This is Wilbur. He used to be able to fit in the palm of my hand, and he was the runt. And I'm trying to think, he's about 3.5 months old. And he is now the size of my Cocker Spaniel. He loves to play and run. Hi, Wilbur. Yeah. Don't want to be far from Mommy. He does not like to be far from me. If I run, he follows me. Okay. Okay, boy. Yes, he's my good boy. You want to show everybody how you lay down? Yes, if I pet him. He lays right down with his belly. He lays right down. His belly flops over. He loves attention. Come on, Jackie. Come on, Jackie. Come play with Wilbur. That's our doggy. Come on. Come play with the dog. Come on. Come play with the piggy. Oh, Wilbur. Show him what you can do. Show him your tricks. There you go. There you go. Show him how you talk. And your tricks. Show the camera. Yeah. Trying to teach him some card tricks, but I'm no David Blaine, and he's no Geico pig. So it might be a little bit difficult.